Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss in this video which is about how to fix no service on any iPhone. How to fix this problem. I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. And do not waste any time. So first solution you have must be correct date and time. Must should correct and open the setting and click on general and scroll up and then click on date and time. Set automatically, uh, and this problem will be fixed. And then second solution, you have must be aeroplane mode 3 to 4 times. Aeroplane mode on and off, uh, and 3 to 4 times on iPhone. And third solution, you out of sim card and then change sim card and mobile, and your problem will be fixed. If there are a third solution not working, their fourth solution, you update iPhone, go to general and then software update, and you should be show update iOS, and you must be should iOS update on your iPhone install. And their last solution on your fix this problem, again open the setting and click on general and scroll up, transfer or reset, then click on reset and reset network setting. If do not lose any data, only network setting reset, and your problem will be fixed. And 100% your mobile working, no service problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.